Welcome back, friend. Here today we will discuss about 50 MCQs which is help you in your current exam or competitive exam which is come in your life for upcoming courses. So now here we are starting the test which included 50 questions. Now here the first question is what? Which of the following language is predecessor to C programming language? If you read some theoretical concept related to C language from any book, the earliest chapter, then you will know the predecessor of programming language C is what? BPCL. Option number C. The next C programming language was developed by Dennis Ritchie. Then third one, C was developed in the year 1972. These are the sure and short answers. There is no confusion if you read it carefully. Then C is a dash level of language. It's a middle level language. C language is available for which of the following operating systems? DOS, Windows, Unix. So it's available on all platform. It means all of these. Question number 6. Which of the following symbol is used to denote a preprocessor statement? We use hash operator or hash symbol. Then 7th. Which of the following is a scalar data type? So float is a scalar data type. The next, which of the following are tokens in C? So keyword, variable, constant, all of the above are known as tokens. Then question number 9, what is the valid range of numbers for integer type of data type? So it's very pretty sure answer, option number B. Then which of the following symbol is used to statement terminated in C? Yes, very popular symbol we are using to terminate line using semicolon, option number D. Which escape character can be used to begin a new line in C? Yes, that is again D/N. Which escape character can be used? Beep from speaker. So you must remember that character is /A, which is also called alert character. The next character constant should be enclosed between single quote. The next string constant should be enclosed between double quote. Then which of the following is invalid? So ABC in a single quote, it is invalid because of set of character is known as string and string is encoded in double quotes. So option number D is invalid. The maximum length of variable in C, you know very well, 4 to 8. It's a length of integer of variable in C. So that is 8, option number A. What will the maximum size of float variable? That is 1 byte. Then what will be the maximum size of double? That is, it's 4 byte for float and 8 byte for double. Next, what will be the maximum size of double variable? So that is 8 byte. A declaration of float A, B occupies 8 byte of memory. It's a single data type float we are using two variable, so it doesn't mean it occupy the double value. Just receive the value, the occupy the value 8 byte. The size of string variable, it's not constant. The size of string variable is not standard. So the option number D is answer, none of this. Which of the following is an example of compound assignment statement? That is A plus 5 means B. Then question number 22. The operator logical and operator is an example of logical operator. The operator and is used for bitwise and. Option number A, yeah, bitwise and. The operator forward slash can be applied to integer value, float value, double values, all of these. So we can actually use this operator for the all values, but the fractional part or exponential part truncate in integer type of values. The rest of the values provide fractional value. The next question number 25. The equality operator is represented by U, that is D. The next question number 26. Operator have hierarchy. It is useful to know which operator is used first. Option number B. Then question number 27. The bitwise AND operator is used for shifting bits. Option number D. Then the bitwise OR operator is used set the desired bits to 1. Option number A. Then which of the following operator has the highest precedence? So here multiplication is highest precedence than the other operator. So let's next question. The associativity operator is here. If you read it, the theoretical part of this subject, then you can easily give the answers. The answer is clear, sure and short, that is A, right to left. Then question number 31. Which operator has lowest priority? That is logical OR operator, means option number D. Which operator has the highest priority? That is increment operator, plus plus. Then which operator has the highest priority? That is increment operator. Now operator have precedence determine which operator is faster. So here, so option number C, evaluated first. Then question number 34. Integer division result is truncating the fractional part. Option number B. The question number 35. Which of the following is ternary operator? So now here, question mark colon is the ternary operator. It means option number 1. What will be the output of the expression 11 raised to 5? So the option number D is answer, none of this. Then 37. The typecast operator is type. Option number A. Explicit type conversion is known as casting. Then question number 39. The operator plus and A plus is equals to 4. It means A is equals to A plus 4. means option number A. Then P++ execute faster than P+1 because of P++ is a single instruction. Then question number 41, which of the following statement is true? So read the question carefully before attempting or before select the option. So C library function provide input output facility, option number A. Then header file is in contents of a library function, that is option number B. Okay, so then question number 43, which pair of function below are used for single character input output? So option number A is the correct answer, get character and put character. Then 44, the printf function return which value when an error occur? So negative value is occur, then it will returns the error. So now question number 45, identify a wrong statement. So if you observe carefully here, the put character used for a single character, and single character is represent in a single quote. So option number C is wrong because of X is printing with help of double quote. So it's a wrong statement. Then question number 46, which of the following is character oriented console input output function? So definitely the get char and put char are the character oriented console input output function, means conio.h. The output of printf %u, -1 is maximum integer value, which is depends on the system, that 65,565, I think, so on. Then an ampersand before the name of variable denotes the address of variable, which is used in a scanf line. Then question number 49, symbol constant can be defined using constant, means B. The question number 50, last question, null character is represented by /0. So thank you for watching. Please comment on this video if you have doubt on any answer, or you suggest me to correct the answer with reference. So just notify it in the comment section of this video, and I'm providing you the answer key of this test in description of this video, so you will check there. Or if you have any query or doubt, just raise your query or your doubt in the comment section. I will try to resolve it. So please mention the reference if you have any doubt. Thank you for watching.